A meeting. Someone says it with confidence. We're all aligned on this. Heads nod. Your chest doesn't. You have a doubt. Small, clear, and you swallow it. The room moves on. That's the trap in one room. Agreement that never existed. Arc 2. The false consensus. Old pattern. Simple picture. Each person keeps a private doubt. In public, they show loyalty. Silence looks like consent. The loudest voice becomes what we all think. Not a theory class. A heard story. You've seen it in a chat where nobody pushes back. In a family plan nobody likes. In a stand-up where sounds good means please don't make this awkward. Everyone nods. Almost nobody believes. Lock 1. Private doubt, public loyalty. Inside, this feels wrong. Outside, a nod. The split is the trap. You protect belonging by hiding the only useful signal in the room. Your honest uncertainty. Ask, am I loyal to the truth or to looking loyal? Lock 2. The loudest voice becomes what we all think. One finished sentence. High certainty. Fast. The room treats volume as a vote count. Nobody counted. They just heard confidence and borrowed it. Ask, did we agree or did we echo the loudest mic? Lock 3. Silence misread as consent. Nobody speaks. The leader hears yes. But silence can mean fear, confusion, or I don't want to be first. Consent requires a voice, or a clear invite for dissent. Ask, is this quiet agreement or quiet fear? Lock 4. You perform certainty to avoid the first crack. You feel the doubt. You also feel the cost of being first. So you smile harder. You say, makes sense. You become evidence for a consensus you don't believe, and you make it harder for the next person to speak. Ask, am I hiding doubt or manufacturing fake proof? When these locks run the show, the room drifts on a line nobody owns. Bad plans survive. Quiet people leave later. The first honest sentence feels dangerous because the fake agreement got thick. That's the cost of false consensus. A group that can't course correct until it's expensive. Wrong way. Nod and say, sounds good when it doesn't. Right way. 3 lines that open a crack without burning the room. 1. Own the doubt softly. Say, I'm not fully there yet. Do we slow one beat? 2. Invite others. Say, is anyone else unsure or is it just me? 3. Ask for a real check. Say, what would make you doubt this plan? Do not attack the speaker. Do not perform bigger certainty to fit in. Small crack, real room. Full craft comes in the first honest sentence. Everyone can nod while nobody believes. That's not alignment. That's fear wearing a smile. Your job tonight? Notice the doubt before you perform yes. Then leave one safe crack. Ask, where did I manufacture agreement I don't hold? Next, the bystander. Why everyone saw and no one moved.